Yay, check it out. So I made myself an undersink vent. This drain has been draining slowly for the 10 years that I've lived here. And I read that one of these little guys will make it drain better, and it does. Problem is, they only come an inch and a half pipe. And bathroom sinks are inch and a quarter, and I really didn't have room back there to change the size of anything, so my only shot was to change it here. Now, I couldn't find an inch and a quarter to inch and a half T anywhere. I looked around and around and around, but then I found one sitting in Tinkercad waiting to be designed. So I made one and I printed it up in PLA to test it out, and everything fit right, but my first hot water shave wound up deforming the PLA, and I'll insert a picture of that here so you can see it. So this one I printed in ABS, and this is right here between this piece and my T is there's no way to crimp it down, and I didn't want to fiddle around, so I just cemented the crap out of it so I wouldn't have to worry about any kind of leaks. But down here I have no leaks. Over here I have no leaks. She's good and sturdy. She's holding up. She's draining fine. If I were to change anything, I probably would put a little V down here, so that it drains better, because I'm sure water's catching right in here. And we'll see in a couple months if that gets stinky or not. But I'm guessing not, because it'll probably always be flushed fresh. But other than that, it was my first attempt at a design. And I did a plumbing part, and it worked out pretty good if you ask me.